Choice. It's your boy. Welcome back. We're playing some more Resident Evil. We got my man Duke.
Where there's coin to be made. Here to make a purchase?
Need to borrow some.
Welcome, Ethan.
Thank you for the greeting, Duke. So I don't know how this works. I think that maybe they're gonna have like enough for each of the recipes, but let's go right here. The quality meat one. Yeah, I don't want this one. I'm not interested. Protein rich, turning boys into bastions. This is so the reason I don't want this is because the reward is damage taken when guarding greatly decreases. I don't guard in this game. It's fucking useless. So I'm going to sell the fuck out of this quality meat. Because I don't fucking want it.
Your coin.
It's lovely, isn't it? I miss you. Treasure. Don't sell any of that. Okay, lovely. Okay.
Food is life. A good deal, if I say so myself.
Well, it's because it's your own wares. I think that's why you're saying that. Oh, wow. This needs some organization. Give me a second here. So, I found out you can rotate this. Who was gonna fucking tell me this? Who was gonna tell me you can fucking rotate this shit? Look at that. Alright, I have no problem with that. I have no quarrel. Looks good to me. We got Luthier's key, which we need to use. This cursed key. Iron insignia, whatever. Photo of strange bird. Where was it taken? I'm guessing this is telling me to find where this thing was taken. So, let me do that real quick. Hello. Good day to you, sir. Would you like to... Shit. Would you like to stand down? Sir? God, why is it lag so much, man? What am I doing to deserve this? That hit him? I feel like I'm being punished for something.
Contaré la historia de una famosa persona. Todos la conocen con el apodo de Chona. Todos la conocen con el apodo de Chona. Su marido dice ya no sé qué hacer con ella. Diario va a los bailes y se compra una botella. Diario va a los bailes y se compra una botella. Se arranca la banda con la primera canción. Y la Chona luego busca bailador. Y la Chona luego busca bailador.
How in the... Gotcha, bitch! Oh. Oh! Juicy game! Aw, yeah, baby! Ah, shit, that's not a right angle at all. That is completely incorrect. Aw, yeah, baby, let's go. Duke, I have a fucking surprise for you. Yeah, baby. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Alright. Howdy, big man. Yo, I got you
I was just
something
thinking
cool.
of ways to pass the time.
Oh, no. We got some of that juicy game. So, that can get me that. But I need more meat. And I need one more poultry. Son of a bitch. Isn't... No, there's nothing. Wait. Yes. Oh, we're on the other side now. Oh, wonderful. This is an event. Yep, right here is the gate, isn't it? Sorry, lag. Right here's the gate. And we walk our asses in. Oh, what? What? Oh. Due to Luthier's long absence, I'm keeping hold of his house key? Word. Let me in this bitch. Aw, yeah. I feel like I should have buckwheat out. Go for buckwheat. Happy birthday, 2017. Any monsters? Doesn't seem like there's any monsters. I don't know why. Something's telling me I should have old buckwheat out. Chem fluid. Empty. Fulay. Starting to think that going in this bitch was kind of useless. I probably need to grab I need to grab an item, I'm assuming, in here. That's probably in this. I'm gonna need to put it on the... What? Okay, there's an item in there that I'm gonna need to put on his grave. Well, this is, really? It's kind of fucking easy. 763934. 7 6 3 9 3. No, it's faster the other way. Shit. Whatever. Whatever. Yeah. Okay, that wasn't it. Oh. See, this is what we call a red herring. 270917. 27. That wasn't what I was supposed to do. 17. Indeed. Steel Haddlesfire. Okay. I don't know what that says. Ooh, high capacity mag for an F2 rifle. This is the F2 rifle. Assuming you can understand where I'm going with this, we're gonna equip this part right here. Ooh. Upgrade for a rifle that I don't even necessarily want that much. GG. We've not fully explored the Maestro's collection. No! It says there's something in the Maestro's collection, so maybe rather than be on the ground, we should look high up. So maybe it's one of those deals? I don't know. I think it's one of those deals. Yep. I pretty much called it. This Rice Krispie Treat fucking slaps. Sorry for munching, but this shit hits. Well, I'd like to say I'm sorry, but... Cock! Cockfin! Give me here! God damn, this Rice Krispie Treat is good. So I got the
Wish to make a purchase?
Sorry. Excuse me.
This is all an investment.
So I got the poultry now. So all I need is one more meat.
Take care.
And I got a permanent health upgrade. Thank you, Duke, I will. Alright, time to go on the unborn fetus route. Here we go. Cool. Oh, shit. I may have a treasure for you, Duke. Indeed. Holy shit. 10K? Yeah, I'm really glad I didn't miss out on that now. Wait, what? That's a...
We will meet again soon.
That's a treasure? I thought it was a key item. Very valuable. Well, I'll be fucked.
As you wish.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
But whatever. I feel like I should at least try, though. I'll trade the yellow quartz for it. Not booty chooty goody booty nudie booty doody judy booty cutie booty. God damn! What the fuck was that? Was that Satan? Was that... Did I just kill the fucking icon of sin? What the fuck? Where did you come from? You weren't here before. What the fuck? Is this a secret? Is this a secret? Sun and Moon Ball! Oh, I am so glad I came back here. What the fuck am I doing, bro? I'm just gonna ignore that Satan goat I just fucking shot on sight, and... Maybe that was Satan. It did make me lag. Does Satan make people lag? Is that written somewhere? Ah, yes, the grave. Let me put something on it. So I can't put anything on it. Maybe it's what I get with the sun and moon ball. Oh, I am so grateful I came back here. What the fuck? I would have like missed out on like a whole avenue of shit. Alright, I'll play another ball game. Sun and moon ball. Yo. Alright, this one's... Bitch!
Corvette.
You cannot do that to me. What am I doing? Bitch, what? Come on, go. Oh, I need momentum. Fuck! 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 Curve! Curve, bitch! Oh, curve! Ah! We're good. We're good. Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Oh my god! Oh, how did I do that? How? Oh. Let's go. Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Oh my god! Oh, how did I do that? How? Onyx skull. We're getting better skulls. Let's go. McSqueeze me. Wait. This wasn't open before. Oh. It's on site. It's on site. Oh. I was looking on the map and I was like, why the fuck is that red? God, how long has that been open? I feel like a dumbass now. Let's go do this shit. Why am I lagging? What the fuck? Ah! What? Ah! Oh my god! What? Yo, chill. You just ate that. Is he staying there? He is. What the fuck? Where'd he go? Ah! Oh, he's got followers. God, stop doing this. I have an idea. Pipe bomb. Quit. Here, bitch. Step on that. Hurts, doesn't it? Smarts, don't it, bitch? What the fuck are you? Oh, yeah. That's unfortunate. Damn, he hits hard. This bitch hit harder than Mama the Belt. That probably wasn't wise. Shit. God damn. So he's locked over here. Ah, Jesus Christ, dude. How do I kill this man? I know what I have to do. Yeah. Let me goop. Goop, please? Thank you. It's on site. Step over, bitch. Step over, bitch. Come on down. Come on, big fella. Come on, big fella. Oh, shit. Oh, okay, he stops there. Why was he laughing at me? I feel like I'm being disrespected right now. Give me that mine. Come here, you dickhead. Oh, I'm out of bullets. I was gonna say, you're not about to exit your boundary, bitch. You're too much of a pussy. Know your place. What are you? I feel like I'm doing something wrong right now, dude. What am I doing wrong? Is there some significance to the axe? Go shoot the axe. Hold, please. How do I beat him? Oh, baby! Oh, you got followers, huh? Sit down. Oh, shit. There's a lot of you. Pussy. Look at you, can't even stand. No, I stab you. Bop! Ah, bop! Bop! Ah, fuck! Bop! How dare you be alive? Just sit down. Oh, come on, pussy. I got a knife too. I got a sharp object. Sit down. God, that was much more painful than it needed to be. And I wasted so much ammo on that fat fuck. I do... I'll take a giant crystal axe. That can probably buy me a lot of ammo. Okay. Okay. Grave. Why were you just so, like, defensive of the grave? I just wanted to put some nice thing on it here. Claudia. Her name was Claudia. Baron Jaro's chalice. Oh, yeah. Dad. Oh, probably because I was trying to steal shit from the grave. Maybe that's why. I don't know where that giant came from, though. Hello, Duke. I got some shit for you. Holy shit. Do we have treasure to sell? 30K for this fucking giant axe. Oh, my God. Lord have mercy. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, Duke. How can you... Oh! Oh, wait. Why is the giant so much more money? Oh, my God. Duke. You better be rolling in it, big man. 100,000. We did it, baby. We did it. I didn't think we were going to be able to reach 100K. I thought that was a greatly exaggerated goal. Great. And now I can cook some good eats. Yup.
Carry on.
Yup. Yup.
Thank you. Now to cook.
Let's cook. Ooh. Here's some vegetables. And meat sizzling. I like this. It's nice. It appeals to my...
Here it is.
Appeals to the fat boy in me. Great. Health increase permanently. Let's go, baby!
I wouldn't mind having that again.
Me neither. Sounded delicious on your end. Gunsmithy, we are going to upgrade this bitch.
Simple modification can be done in just a moment.
Just a moment. Lovely.
Pay me no mind.
I feel like I should.
Yes, I can see why you'd be interested in that.
Yes, because I kind of need it. Oh, it increases in money. That's not fun. Recipe pipe bombs. Flashbangs? What am I, fucking McCree? Recipe flashbangs. That's fucking gold. Yeah, I'm gonna go for flashbangs. Hell yeah. Alright, I'm not gonna do any more.
Good day then.
Alright, I think I'm gonna stop there. Really. Reload this. No ammo for that.
Welcome, Ethan.
Might want to get some... I never thought I'd be saying this, but I'm gonna get some ammo for the sniper rifle. There we go.
This is all an investment. Please come again.
All tis, Duke, all tis. Alright, well, we can actually finally move on to the point of the fucking episode. Progression. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, tasty. Taste... Oh, what the fuck are you? Bro! Ah! Bro, that's the hairy bitch from... that's the hairy bitch from back at the barnyard. I was wondering why I was lagging. Let go! Bro, he just took my pelvis. Bro, oh! I'm dead. Yeah, get in there, I guess. You are an ugly bitch. Is this a mini boss? Bitch, where are you going? Somewhere. The wounds are severe. It won't last much longer. I can hear shuffling about outside. I barely flinched when I shot it. I feel like it's toying with me. This isn't a wolf. Oh, great. Exposition. Still, I won't down like a dog. If I can get to the old watermill, I can stop it. I can protect you. It's so close. Damn, I'm so cold. My legs won't work. I'm sorry, Louisa. Please forgive me. Oh, damn. That's Louisa's husband. Oh, if only I fucking cared. Oh, damn. That's some dead-ass cattle. Literally. Alright. Well, what do we got? Alright, well, that's tragic to hear that you are kind of fucked. Great. Okay, it looks like there's nothing around here because all the places are fully searched, but we do have some poultry. Needless to say, I'm a bit concerned. What the fuck that was. I'm assuming that's what I'm going to be using my explosive rounds on. Just an educated guess. Where is it? Where is it? So am I supposed to stay away from that thing? Come on. Have at me, bitch. Uh-oh. Oh, damn, I hate your face. That's weirdly human. Run away like a pussy. Hey, butt cheeks. Oh, fuck! Ah! Ah! Run, Ethan! Yo, hey, chill. Hey, sir? Sir? Thank you. Should I be wasting my ammo on this thing? Doggy? Can I shoot you through here? Smarts, don't it? Let's go! Easy! Crystal bees! Holy shit. Yo, hey. You are ugly, dude. My god. That was disgusting. God. That was horribly gross. I hated its face. I mean, that's probably why I shot it a bunch, but I hated that face. Is this a little hidey hole? Oh, yes, it must be its hidey hole. It must have been collecting scrap. And more scrap. I hear a chicken. Wait, hey, you chill. Oh, they're up here. We call them sky chickens. Or skickens. Nope, just kidding. There's no sky chickens to be seen. Just clucking. Fucking clucking. I really want some of that chicken. I still don't know what this thing takes. I'll get you eventually, chicken. Well, it seems... I knew I should have known from that lag spike. I was literally about to say it seems that I've got rid of the beast problem in this town. Is there two? Is it trapped? You okay, Brody? Oh, it's just one of these guys. I thought you were... See, I thought you were the wolf man. Big scary wolf man. I thought I could stab you to death. Damn, Ethan, you can be a badass when you choose to. Oh, I liked how he grabbed his stomach. That was a great detail. Anyways, you're dead. Oh my god, this is where... Bro, this is where I was at the beginning of the game. How did I not realize that? Yeah, that's probably why all the places are looted already. Yep, this is where Krampus jumped me, and I laggily said, oh, please don't. What the fuck is this? Mucus. Covered in a slimy substance. Looks breakable, though. Intriguing. Can I break it with a knife? I can! Oh, that's a little bit too goopy for my taste. I don't know how much I like the goop. Here's the watermill that I can enter with the insignia. Okay, wait. This is the place with the treasure! Water wheel weapon. Oh my god. Oh, look at you, loaded. Oh my. Oh, and of course there's explosive rounds here. You know, maybe I could have used this on the wolf man. It took me a second to realize that was the wheel and not a wolf man. Alright, let's go through the breakable goo. Seems like it's the only area we can. I'm assuming this is where the fish person lives. Judging by the whole goopy aquatic business. Breakable goop. Of course it's locked on the other side. Probably for good reason as well. There you go, Ethan. Piggy. Oh, Piggy. Well, you know what happens here. You just took a bullet to the brain. I'm sorry, Piggy. I'm hungry. Bitch, I'm hungry! Oh, god damn! You little bitch. You little bitch, too! How many bullets are you tanking? You little fucker. You little fucking bitch. I wonder what it's like if you die from the pigs in this game. I feel like that'd be really fucking funny. Okay, this mill is freaking out. Ugh, and a typewriter. Thank you. This bitch loud as fuck. Has to be the most obnoxious. Okay, I feel like this is the place I need to be, so I'm gonna go to places I don't need to be first. I need whatever that is again. And another ball puzzle with the green skull. Okay, it doesn't look like there's much that I can do besides go down. Down into the depths I go. Reservoir elevator. Quite lovely. From what I've seen so far, underground is not my friend. I don't like going underground. Oh, don't cut off my hand. I'm gonna be scared of having my hand cut off by a beautiful woman every single time I do that. Oh my dear god. That was longer than the first. Great, now we're in the mines. God, our penis is swinging from side to side, side to side. Seems like there's only one way to go, and that's down. Oh boy, it's spooky. Where are we going? Radio? God, even more goop. Let me get through the goop and get jump scared. Bah! Oh. You were ugly. Oh, he likes TV. Grab the flask. Dipshit. Dipshit. Grab the flask. I'm gonna put this down.
Mother Miranda, if it's for you, I'd do anything.
I'm over here.
I'll just be taking this.
Wait. What are you doing with Mother's special child?
She's not hers.
Oh, you have something to say?
What do you mean, mother's special child?
Mother wants her baby back.
Don't screw with me!
Wait, please. If you take it, then the others will laugh at me. But if I do better than them...
What do I care?
Wait, just a little longer, please.
I feel bad.
What's so funny?
Uh-oh.
You're stupid. You talk too much. It's all over. I plugged the way in.
What do you...
This is my territory. And I won't let you leave.
Shit. Damn freak!
Don't Kool-Aid through the wall. Oh, not the long fucking elevator.
Have it.
You will.
How do I get out of here?
Fuck if I know. Yeah. Okay, so this one is just an escape thing. This guy seems quite incompetent, but I know he's gonna have a thing at the end where he turns into, like, an unkillable bullet sponge bitch, but whatever. You just ate that? Oh, I'm getting concerned. Maybe you're a little bit more than doggy! Just kidding, you ain't. Bitch! You ain't shit, motherfucker. Neither are you. I fucking hate your model. You got some stupid-ass hair. You look like Matthew Mercer. Matthew Mercer rocks the shit out of that hair, but you fucking don't, bitch. You fucking look like a dumbass with that hair. Because everyone fucking has it. I don't know why that's the fucking werewolf hairstyle of 2021, but goddamn. I still don't see an accurate use for the whole flower shoot the flower thing. I think that's kind of dumb. That's just my opinion, though. Okay. Oh, you're the mini boss boy. Oh, you're in here. I done fucked up. Ha! Ah, let me through. Let me through? Let me equip this. I got something for you. I got something for you, boy. Ready? Uh-oh. That was overkill. See, now you're naked. I said you're naked! Oh, that's right in my guts. Oh, I'm dead. Hello, sir. Let me take this crystal skull. Oh, I need to goop on myself. Hold on a second. Sorry, I just needed some self-goopage. Okay, this is mildly concerning. Ah, shit. Well, fuck. Ah. Really? Right in my chest? You disrespectful. I hate... You got mad that I said his hairstyle was stupid. That was... not successful. Just tried to live out my life and I was brutally attacked. Maybe if I go back there was a boat waiting for me? I don't fucking know. That's not a boat. Ugh, I hate that. Oh, why is it so goopy? Oh. Oh, cool. I guess I'm out of here. But it's not gonna be that. Not gonna be that easy. Come on over, big fella. God, you fuckers move fast. You guys are much more lethal than the vampires ever will. Oh, you just took one shotgun blast and immediately died, pussy. Leave the boat key in the shack at the mine. Hans is dead, so no more fishing for a while. I mean, we all know his death was no accident. He was eaten by a giant fish, boat and all. Well, that makes me feel secure. Oh, great. My little peewee fucking boat. Alright, well, this seems pretty straightforward. I need to make my way. Wait, what? Why is there two? Why is there two? Why is there two? Boat key. Put the key in the boat. Oh, God, I have to control this? Shit. There's something over here. I need to get in that chest. How do I... Reservoir. I don't like the drippies.
What was that?
That's a Leviathan right there. That's a fucking Leviathan. Yup. I'm gonna get off. Don't need to be doing any fuckery with that. Not in my day and age.
What the hell?
Laggy.
Research post or something?
You might want to look right there.
What the fuck are they doing here?
Oh, those are the... Hey! How did the biohazard get here? Hey! Get the fuck off of me!
Stay the fuck down!
Ethan!
You fucking cocksucker! Oh, you little
It'd be a
bitch.
shame if something happened to you now.
You're gonna
Sure,
die.
Chris. Why not?
Fucking
You
kill
killed
me.
Mia.
Do it. Do it,
Now
bitch.
do me and finish the job.
You just killed my second wife. Like, I mean, actually, I killed my second wife. Whatever.
Hey, Cap. I'm getting some serious motion readings out here. We should move on.
You little
What kind of
bitch.
readings? What's moving?
A sea dragon.
But my guess is we've been here too long, and Miranda knows it.
Hey, did you say Miranda? How are you involved?
Leave it alone, Ethan. You are out of your depth. What about the sample?
Clearly, I'm not. I've
It's
killed two of
definitely
them.
related to the mold.
They brought the mold here? Why? Why is the mold here? God, when Ethan saw that, he was like, damn, that bitch on site. It took me forever to see it, but I'm
Stay
on
out of our
site.
business, Ethan.
Turn around. Oh, shit! Oh, I thought he was gonna die there. Did he? Oh, God. I don't have the bullets for you. Where am I going? Matter of fact, where am I? When did you get here?
Shit! Stay back!
You are an ugly son of a bitch. Did you turn into that?
The exit's underwater. You're done.
What am I saying? Of course
I
you
don't have
didn't.
time for this.
You are ugly as hell.
Miranda sent you to slow me down? You're pathetic.
He's growing tentacles. You're ugly as hell.
What are you talking about? What the fuck is wrong with you?
You are a nasty son of a bitch. So he's the sea dragon? I don't understand the plot here. Oh, he's definitely the sea dragon. Just keep running, just keep running, just keep jumping. Move, bitch! Ethan. Mr. Three Fingers, come on. Damn, that could've killed you. Oh, great. It's gone. So Ethan was there. There was something in that boat that I wanted. Moreau's clinic. He's got a clinic. Oh my god, that's grand. Oh, I love that.
He said the exit's in the water.
Gatehouse. Oh, great. Now I gotta recognize a pattern.
Drain the water. Shit, there's no power.
Can I save? Is there a save point anywhere? What? Who's in there? Oh, I could have just walked through here. Duke! What the fuck are you doing here?
Oh, yes.
Oh, I'm not even gonna question it? Okay. Perfect crystal skull. Crystal beast. And, give me some money.
And buy it I will.
Thank you, sir. God, you sound horrible. No more ammo, really? I really need ammo. Son of a bitch. Oh, I really need ammo really bad.
This is all an investment, Ethan.
I know, I know. Alright, Duke.
A good
I'm gonna cut you off there. I need to save.
deal, if I say so myself.
Can you explain what the fuck that was and how you got here? Because I feel like Ethan would have probably questioned that, but actually maybe not, because, you know, he's already got the power of teleportation. We've seen it. Alright, well, that's it for me. See ya.
Meanwhile.
What are you? Ah, bitch. Fuck it. Chill. Oh, no. Claudia Benito. Beneviento. Not Benevito. Fucking dipshit. I mean.
Thank you. Now to cook. Apologies for the wait. Here's your share. I wouldn't mind having that again.
What? Gotcha, bitch.
What was that?
The lag monster, that's what that was. Fuck.
Research post or something. What the fuck are they doing here?
Stay the fuck down! Ethan!
Fucking finally!